India and the United Arab Emirates on Friday agreed on the framework for a strategic defense partnership during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the Gulf state as both countries moved to deepen ties amid regional tensions. According to India's Foreign Ministry, the partnership will expand cooperation in defense manufacturing, advanced technology, training, exercises, maritime security, cyber defense and secure communications. The two sides also signed agreements on strategic petroleum reserves and the supply of liquefied petroleum gas. Abu Dhabi National Oil Company said the energy pact could increase its crude storage in India to as much as 30 million barrels and includes discussions on storing Indian crude in Fujairah as part of New Delhi's strategic reserves. ADNOC also said it would explore expanded LPG supply and trading opportunities with Indian Oil Corporation. Ahead of the visit, Indian officials told Reuters that Modi was expected to seek long-term energy supply arrangements and support for expanding India's oil reserves. The visit comes as the conflict involving Iran has disrupted regional energy markets and shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, a key route for roughly 20% of global oil supplies. India's foreign ministry also said the UAE announced investments worth $5 billion, including past deals by Emirates NBD, an international holding company in Indian firms.